How to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch your Instagram application on your device over here. Make sure you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on your story option at the top of left of the screen. Now you can select any pictures over here. You can select more than one pictures. So just tap and make a long press and then select the number of pictures that you would want to add. Then tap on next. And here you can either select a layout or you can add on a separate ones over here. So I'm going to add layout over here. And here you can see the layout for the pictures that I've selected. Now you can tap on this icon at the top of the screen to change the layout. If you're not happy with this one, then you can just go with the previous one. We only have two options over here in terms of layout. So after you're ready, you can just tap on done and you can share it to your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.